Hey guys, I hope you're doing really well. It is time for
Wind Up Wednesday!
I feel like we should make it into a little song and dance, not just...
That is the dance and the song. Wind Up Wednesday!
Wind Up Wednesday!
Wind Up Wednesday! Wind Up Wednesday!
Wind Up
Wednesday! Yes, we nailed that.
Today is going to be a very different kind of Wind Up Wednesday because Wind Up Wednesday is officially 1 year old. Can you believe that we've reached our first birthday? We're not going to tally up how many Chris has won compared to how many I've won, because we all know that I'm going to win, so don't want to embarrass him. But also we agreed on weekly champions, not overall champions. So hopefully make you guys smile, make you guys laugh, make us smile and laugh, because it's been a lot of fun doing these. And we'll be back with fresh new challenges next week. Enjoy, guys.
We have started these brand new videos. We're going to be coming to you every so often across the next couple of weeks with Wind Up Wednesday. Why is it called Wind Up Wednesday, Saf?
Because Chris and I are both very competitive, especially against each other. So whoever loses gets really annoyed.
38! Yeah!
How I feel. I'm so annoyed with myself.
Champion! Champion!
I got 38!
Saffron organised the meeting, and so she had to admit me into the waiting room. And my name today was WUP champion, Wind Up Wednesday champion, and she wouldn't let me in until I changed my name.
So he's changed his name to It's Saffron's Week, and then I'll let him in.
What we're playing today is we are going to play Scoop 'em Up.
Scoop.
We're going to scoop them up. And we're going to play the game, the classic game, involving shaving foam and cheesy Watsons. I'm probably shouting a bit louder than normal because all I can hear about is rustling. Saffron, what are we playing today?
Okay, we are playing spaghetti on a penny. No, penny on a spaghetti.
Sorry, say that again.
Okay, we are playing spaghetti on a penny on spaghetti. Okay.
We are going to be playing paper cup stack. Paper plate cup stack. We are playing shake what your mama gave you. You like the name, Saffron?
I wasn't expecting it. I'm pretty confident with mine.
I'm pretty, I like mine.
You gave him a really long, thick neck.
Hey!
So close to catching that one!
Last Christmas, I gave you a heart, and then next day you gave it away.
Oh no!
At each other, and that's enough for love. I don't know the song. Whoa. Yeah. Living on a prayer. What? Is that it? Is it living on a prayer? Oh my goodness, I'm gonna be. Yeah!
I was getting quite emotional watching that. A whole year of Wind Up Wednesdays, and what a year it has been. Most definitely been my year with the most wins. But hey ho, maybe next year, Saffron,